laps number 5. Oh, where they go. Searching for the leader. We have Cool Yellow from on the outside by the roll. Sheila Princess. In the middle portion, we have Cashier's Check. Then comes Red Hot Water. Then followed over by Batanga Sports, Virgin Island, Macalelon. Pentagon is also there. Then followed over by Pochi. Moving up on the outside, Amarosa. Nose West, second last, while Iris Smile is racing in 12. Willing down the back. This time we have 2 entries fighting it out for the lead. Cool Yellow, a long shot, moves up by about 3/4 a length. Cashier's Check is right behind in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Pentagon, then followed over by Red Hot Water. Moving up now on the outside is Batangas Sports, Virgin Island, Macalelon in 7, also starting to stretch out well too. Inside the last 500, Cool Yellow by about 2 lengths. Pentagon now in second, and in third Cashier's Check. 1 moving up on the outside is Batangas Sports. Cool Yellow by only ahead. Pentagon moving up on the outside, and also closing in now is Batangas Sports. As they race the final corner, we have Pentagon moves up. Batangas Sports moving up in the middle by there's the Cool Yellow. Pentagon, Batangas Sports is lefting on the inside. We've got Pentagon and Batangas Sports fighting it out for the lead, and letting the wire. It's going to be Pentagon, Batangas Sports, Cool Yellow, Macalelon, and Virgin Island for your Pentapet.